Hey, sixth graders. Today we're going to be using Google Drawings, so I want to show you how to access Google Drawings. You're going to open up Drive, and then you want to go click on New. And then if you go, you see you have Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. Click on More, and that'll bring you to Google Drawings. Now this is a place you can make posters. It's just easier than Word, Docs, even slides. You can insert many things. The one thing I want to show you how to insert is word art. So this is how you can make fun titles. So you go to Insert and down here to Word Art, and then you can type in what you need to. Oops. So we'll just put Sparta. So then you can change it. You can make it bigger. You can change the font, play around with it. If you want to change the color, you can make it bold. Go to Format Options, and then you can find more items. Size. I believe you can also do fill. You can do different colors. So you go to that little paint can, that'll fill in whatever colors you want to for. So there we made it purple. You can bring it up here. So this is just like a blank white sheet of paper. Those little boxes will not show up. The check marks will not show up. Now the other thing, if you want to add an image, go to Image and you can search the web. You can find it in your photos, your drive, but I would search the web for Sparta because that's what, so you come over and then you hit search web. You can put in Sparta, and then you have some Spartan warriors. Maybe I want to add that one. Hit insert. That kind of didn't show up on my video, but that's okay. So then you can make your Spartan warrior, why you want to join the military poster. This is a poster to help as like a recruiting poster. Okay, so those are 2 tips on how to use Google Drawings.